In a world that's constantly changing, one thing remains true: our strength lies in our differences. In 2025, a new chapter in global unity is unfolding, and it's happening right now. The Multicultural Assembly 2025 is not just an event, it's a powerful symbol of how people from every corner of the world can come together, share their stories, and create something beautiful. This is the moment when the world embraces its diversity, and you're invited to be part of something bigger than yourself. Click to learn more and witness the future of unity in action. Are you ready? Unity in diversity isn't just a nice idea, it's the foundation of progress in our rapidly changing world. When different cultures, ideas, and perspectives come together, they spark innovation, creativity, and understanding. It's through embracing our differences that we create a more inclusive, harmonious society. The Multicultural Assembly 2025 isn't just a gathering, it's a testament to what's possible when humanity chooses cooperation over division. By standing together, we can tackle the world's biggest challenges, whether it's climate change, social justice, or global health. Unity isn't just powerful, it's essential for our collective future. The Multicultural Assembly 2025 is more than just a gathering of nations, it's a bold statement that in unity, we find our strength. This event symbolizes the world's commitment to embracing diversity and fostering peace. In an era where division often dominates the headlines, the Assembly is a beacon of hope. It shows that despite our differences, we share a common humanity. From artists to leaders, innovators to everyday citizens, the Assembly represents the collective voice of the world coming together to create solutions and build bridges. It's a powerful reminder that when we unite, we amplify our impact and possibilities. At the heart of the Multicultural Assembly 2025 is the power of collaboration. In today's world, the most pressing challenges, from climate change to poverty, require collective effort. No one country, culture, or individual can solve these problems alone. It's only when we collaborate across borders, share knowledge, and respect each other's unique perspectives that we can find real solutions. The Assembly serves as a platform for nations and communities to unite, not just in words, but in action. Together, we have the potential to create lasting change, proving that collaboration, powered by diversity, is the key to our future. Around the world, we see the power of multicultural collaboration every day. Take the Paris Climate Agreement, where over 190 countries set aside their differences to tackle global warming together. Or the International Space Station, where astronauts from different nations work side by side to push the boundaries of science and exploration. These examples show that when we put unity into action, we can achieve the impossible. The Multicultural Assembly 2025 is inspired by these very success stories, proving that when diverse voices join forces, they can create a future that benefits everyone, no matter where they come from. The beauty of unity is that everyone can play a part. The Multicultural Assembly 2025 is not just for world leaders, it's for you, too. Every time you engage with people from different cultures, listen with empathy, and celebrate diversity, you contribute to building a more unified world. Whether it's through supporting multicultural businesses, sharing inclusive content, or advocating for equality, small actions can create ripple effects. You don't need to be at the Assembly to make a difference. Your commitment to understanding, connecting, and respecting others can help create the global unity we all dream of. The future of multiculturalism is bright, and it's only going to get stronger. In 2025 and beyond, technology and global connectivity are breaking down borders, making it easier for people from all walks of life to connect, learn, and collaborate. As diversity continues to grow, so too will the recognition that it is our shared humanity that matters most. The Multicultural Assembly 2025 is just the beginning. In the future, we'll see more inclusive societies, global networks of cooperation, and more opportunities to blend cultures in meaningful ways. The world is evolving, and so is our collective understanding of unity. Together, we can build a future that celebrates what makes us unique. The Multicultural Assembly 2025 is a powerful reminder that unity begins with each of us. Now is your chance to make a difference. whether by engaging with others across cultures, supporting inclusive initiatives, or simply sharing the message of unity. We all have the ability to create a ripple effect that will resonate for generations. Don't wait for the world to change, be the change. Join the movement for a united, diverse world and help shape a future where everyone belongs. Together, we are unstoppable.